Method of finding non-infectious diseases causes using multiple research. Practical applications, discovery of depression and celiac disease causes. By Alan Olin. This work introduces readers to a novel method of finding non-infectious disease causes. The method allows to replace a discovery of non-infectious disease causes by luck or partially with a methodical approach which provides a high level of success in discovery of the non-infectious disease causes. This method allows to process multiple researches using a simple algorithm based in math in order to determine the disease causes as a set of few physiological changes which trigger a non-infectious disease. The method is based on a model confirmed by empirical data and presented in the article, A Connection Between Factors Causing Diseases and Diseases Frequencies, its application in finding disease causes, Alan Olin, Journal of Clinical Trials, Volume 13, Issue 4, further called the article or Article 1. According to this model, a non-infectious disease is caused by a combination of few physiological parameters changes approximately beyond 1 sigma interval which are existing at the same time. The method at first requires to find a number of physiological changes which are triggering the specific non-infectious disease using a special formula derived from the model. Then using a set of disease causation criteria developed in the article above, it allows to find a set of risk factors which are real causes of the disease. The method stresses that only some of the risk factors are real disease-causing factors of non-infectious disease. Each disease causation factor is impacting 1, 2 or extremely rarely 3 required physiological parameters changes beyond 1 sigma, as shown in the article above. Different disease causation factors often impact the same required physiological parameters which are real causes of the non-infectious disease. The method allows to find these physiological parameters and also allows to determine which physiological parameter is impacted by found disease causation factors. The method then allows to group the disease causation factors together according to the physiological parameters they impact. The combination of disease causation factors from each of these groups must trigger the disease if the physiological changes caused by them will be present at the same time long enough. The non-infectious disease is triggered because the required number of physiological changes approximately beyond 1 sigma are coexisting at the same time long enough. The triggering of the disease is not random. If these changes coexist long enough, it is a must. What random is the presence of particular disease causation factors required to cause a disease, length of their presence, etc. This work shows in details the foundation of the method, explain how to practically use it and further shows to practical applications of the method on the examples of depression and celiac diseases. At the end, using a method, author shows a process of discovery of physiological changes which if present at the same time long enough will cause depression or celiac diseases and also shows which combination of disease causation factors will need to be present to trigger the diseases in an individual. In other words, the author shows the readers the process of discovery of disease causes of depression and celiac disease and states what they are as the result. The method also allows to create a hypothesis of mechanism of the non-infectious disease pathology using the discovered physiological parameters. An author shows details of this process on the example of depression and the work contains the hypothesis of depression pathology along with depression causes. Using the method, an author shows why depression has 2 causes and celiac disease has 6 causes. Author's introduction to the method will allow other medical researchers to use their own and existing researches to determine the causes of non-infectious diseases as per presented model, using a simple algorithm. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.